In this video, I'm going to show you how to place the outer taillight on this Mazda 6. This is the one that gets mounted to the rear quarter panel, so let's get started. There's a push clip at the top of the plastic trim piece here. You're going to want to remove this push clip, pry it out with a trim tool or a screwdriver, whatever you have. Once that's removed, you can peel this plastic piece off and you'll see the trim clip that is holding on the carpet. Now you can peel the carpeting back out from underneath the plastic. This will expose the taillight mounting location underneath. What I'm going to do is unplug the bulbs first. So I'll just press on their connector and pop them out. This one's a little trickier to get to. It's tucked in there. And then this one over here. At this point, you have three 10mm mounting nuts that have to be removed. Once you break them free, you should be able to remove them by hand. Try not to lose them, of course. Once you break the gasket free, the taillight has to slide back towards the back of the car, or out towards the back of the car. There we go. When you install the taillight, this little tab here, the plastic retainer, has to line up with the cutout on the taillight as you slide it in, so it can only go on if you push it straight. So line it up with everything first. At the same time as that's happening, the studs need to go through their mounting holes. Once you feel that it's lined up, tap it in. It's not going to be locked in, but it will be somewhat secured. Install the mounting hardware. When you tighten this, make sure you don't over tighten it, but you do want to squish that gasket a little bit. So once it gets snug like this, give it about 1/8 to 1/4 of a turn. That should be plenty tight. And then once I tighten up the last one, I'm actually going to go around one more time to make sure that they're still good. Because a lot of times with these gaskets that squish, once you tighten up the last one, the first one will loosen up because of that gasket squishing. So that one's tight enough for me. There we go, that one loosened up a little bit. Just check them all again, make sure they're all even and that gasket is sealed up, which it is. So now let's reconnect all the connectors. The black connector went on the turn signal marker. The black connector went on the marker light bulb back here. Make sure it clicks. The white one in the middle. This one's the harder one to reach just because it's tucked inside there. You're gonna have to feel for it and turn and twist to line it up. Put the carpet back. Don't forget to tuck it back behind this piece of plastic here. And then once it's back in place, resecure the carpet first with this push clip. Lock that in, and then put the plastic over, and then resecure this with its push clip. Lock that in. Everything should be nice and tight. And of course, repeat the procedure on the other side if you need to replace the other taillight as well.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.